How much does LG TV cost? The cost of an LG TV depends on factors such as screen size, display technology, LED, OLED, QNED, resolution, and smart features. Prices range from $150 for entry-level models to over $3,000 for premium OLED and QNED TVs. 1. Price of small-sized LG TVs, 32 to 43 inches. A 32-inch LG LED TV costs $150 to $300, while a 43-inch model is priced between $250 and $450. These models usually feature full HD or 4K resolution with basic smart TV functions. 2. Price of mid-sized LG TVs, 50 to 55 inches. A 50-inch LG 4K TV costs $400 to $700, and a 55-inch model ranges from $500 to $700, $1,200. These models offer 4K UHD resolution, HDR support, and smart features like WebOS 3. Price of large LG TVs, 65 to 75 inches. A 65-inch LG TV typically costs $800 to $1,800, while a 75-inch model is priced between $1,200 and $2,500, depending on the panel type, LED, QNED, or OLED. Fourth, price of LG OLED and QNED TVs. Premium LG OLED TVs start at $1,200 for a 55-inch model and can go over $3,000 for an 83-inch version. LG QNED TVs, which use mini LED technology for better contrast, cost between $1,000 and $2,500, depending on the size and model. 5. Factors that affect LG TV prices. The price of an LG TV is influenced by factors such as screen size, display technology, LED, OLED, QNED, resolution, full HD, 4K, 8K, refresh rate, and additional features like AI upscaling and Dolby Vision. 6. Best time to buy an LG TV. Shopping during Black Friday, Cyber Monday, holiday sales, and clearance events can help you find discounted LG TVs. Checking retailer promotions and online deals can also lead to significant savings. LG TVs range from $150 for basic LED models to over $3,000 for premium OLED and QNED versions. Choosing the right model depends on your budget, screen size preference, and desired features.